Hey everyone, Mahesh here, and I hope you are doing well. If you're watching this video, chances are you're exploring the world of dropshipping as a potential business model. The big question on your mind right now is dropshipping still a viable source of online income in the current year? Well, stick around because in this video, we are going to dive into the pros and cons of dropshipping to help you decide if it's the right choice for you. But before we dive in, if you're really interested in my top recommendation for generating over $5,000 to $10,000 a month from home, click the first link from the description down below and I'll share my favorite strategy. Just ask yourself, if a normal Indian person like me who can sit at home and start making money in dollars, why can't you do the same and start making money for your success? So please follow my exact strategy from the first link in the description. And one more thing guys, I request you to please stick to this video till the end. Why? Because there is a bonus waiting for you. Now on this channel, I've reviewed numerous ways to make money online, from various courses to different business models like surveys, MLM, affiliate marketing, dropshipping, and Amazon FBA. Today, let's focus on dropshipping, which involves selling physical products on your online store using platforms like Shopify. For those unfamiliar with dropshipping, it entitles sourcing products from affordable e-commerce platforms such as AliExpress or Banggood. You then set up a Shopify store listing these products at a markup. When a customer makes a purchase, you buy the item from the cheaper platform and have it shipped directly to your customer. You know, the profit comes from the price difference between what your customer paid and your cost. Now let's discuss the reality of dropshipping. While it remains a viable business model, there are some significant disadvantages. First and foremost, profit margins are generally low, averaging around 15%. You know, the reason for that is that as a dropshipper, you're constrained by the cost of manufacturing the physical products and the need to keep your retail prices competitive. Another challenge is that high costs associated with dropshipping. You know, setting up a Shopify store is relatively inexpensive, but advertising costs can be sustainable, given that you can't charge exorbitant prices for your product. Advertising becomes crucial for generating sales, eating into your already slim profit margins. You know, what many people overlook is that dropshipping is an incredibly manual process. Each transaction requires manual approval in Shopify, followed by the time-consuming task of purchasing the product from the supplier, often through AliExpress or similar platforms. This manual effort becomes overwhelming as your transaction volume increases. You know, scaling a dropshipping business requires hiring staff to handle this manual tasks and customer service. And when it comes to refunds and returns, they are inevitable, adding another layer of complexity. All of these factors contribute to the overall difficulty of running a successful dropshipping venture. While dropshipping can still be pursued, considering its challenges, low profit margins, and manual nature, there may be alternative business models that offer high scalability and simplicity. If you're looking for a business model that's easier, more profitable, and doesn't require working 15 hours a day, I recommend checking out my favorite business model. So I request you to click the first link from the description down below and I'll guide you through the steps to go from zero to your first $10,000 a month with this approach. So when we talk about the bonus, I have written a book called the Stasho Method, which is already into the market. Here I'm actually showing people how to start a dropshipping business without any inventory or without any product in hand. So this is very easy business model, and we are focusing on dietary supplements, so which is very booming market in the upcoming years. So I request you to get this product. It costs just for $1 if you are anywhere all across the world, and if you're from India, then I'm giving this product for absolutely 11 rupees. So I actually cost this product for just $37 in other marketplace, but if you're watching this video and like to become my VIP Inner Circle member, then you can grab it for $1 or just 11 rupees. So you can visit the second or third link in the description. I hope you found this review helpful in understanding dropshipping as a business model. If you are on the hunt for a reliable and profitable source of income, weigh the pros and cons carefully before diving into dropshipping. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Please do subscribe. Have a great day. Bye bye.